Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report. Charts appraisals on Friday the 16th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a look at cable, and cable has actually been fairly solid in the last few days. It's sort of managed to ride out a bit of the volatility yesterday. It was fairly sturdy. We've still got the prospect of this technical rally, but it just lost a bit of momentum yesterday. But still, you could argue that the RSI has a little bit further to unwind. It tends to get back towards the 40 area, maybe towards 50. So at the moment, it's in the high 30s. So maybe a little bit more on the upside still to go in this RSI on this recovery. Now, I'll take you quickly to the intraday hourly chart, because that $1.52 level, which had been supportive yesterday through the volatility, actually became resistance today, and we've broken through the resistance again, but it's now becoming now being tested once again as a basis of support. Now I think that this could well become a bit of a line in the sand, a bit of a pivot level near term. I think anything above 52, I think you could say the outlook is improving. Below 52, I'd say it's far more middle of the road, maybe even towards negative again. So still undecided in terms of this, how this technical rally is going. And certainly looks like on the momentum indicators on the hourly chart that the RSI continues to fluctuate between 30 and 70, which is indicative of a fairly sort of neutral-ish outlook. So that would be in keeping with what we're seeing at the moment. So no real upside momentum being generated in this recovery. But above 52 figure, as I said earlier, that could suggest that the outlook is okay and for a technical rally, but certainly it is unsure, and we're not really being able to break out above this 52.70 mark, which had been holding back yesterday's rally as well. So a little bit still unsure as to how this one's going to go, but 51.50, 51.40 seems to be a bit of a floor near term, which has been a floor for the last 3 days. So you could use that as a basis of support. But the key support, I suppose, comes in around that 50.74 level and the 50.32. But certainly at the moment, it looks like with these hourly moving averages basically flattening off, that it's still a little bit neutral. So we'll see how this one goes. But at the moment, we're just pulling back towards that 52 mark, which, as I said, is a bit of a line in the sand. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.